Hello and welcome to AP United States Government and Politics. My name is Doug Pereira. I have been teaching at Canandaigua Academy since 2001. I've been teaching overall for almost 25 years. I'm really excited to teach AP Gov this year um, and work with many of the seniors, all the seniors this year who are taking on this challenge. Um, One thing I just want to note is contact information. You can reach me easily through Brave Square to search for Doug Pereira. You can also send me via school email as well. I also want to point out my office hours. This is when students can meet with me on Zoom to go over their writing um, and to ask questions and get questions answered. And the course itself has 5 units. You'll notice they're not in order. Um, and I just thought it was important, especially in the election cycle, that we talk about political ideology and beliefs earlier than later. Students, I think, will really enjoy talking civil rights in the spring when they're getting excited to graduate and so on. The course is part of the AP program, which means there is an AP exam offered in early May. And you can search the College Board's website for more. Depending on how students do on that exam, if they do well, they might get college credit. But I will really stress that that is not my primary goal in teaching this course. My primary goal is helping students develop college-ready habits and skills and to get a better understanding of how our government and political system work. And you'll notice when you look at the test components, there's a lot of analysis and application type questions. And I think those are very important skills for them to work on. And so I really invite them to develop those things. If they get college credit, great, but not the primary goal for me. In terms of grading, you can see our 3 categories there. I want to stress the middle one, writing and projects. So when we start doing some writing, students are really encouraged to conference with me so they can prove their writing. And if they rewrite and make those improvements, they can get a better grade for that. Our assignments are going to be on Schoology. I'll show you that in a second. And so if they keep up with their assignments, they'll be in pretty good shape. So I do want to take you to Schoology and just point out a couple of things. When they do office hours and make an appointment, they can just meet me here at this first link. AP Classroom is a tool created by the College Board that where I can provide a number of review materials and practice for students. So sometimes they'll get assignments out of AP Classroom. They're all logged in and ready to go with that. Every week we'll have a weekly folder. It will have the assignments for the week and due dates and everything they need. They should be able to click on those assignments and get to work on them. They really need to use their remote days. This is a meeting one period every other day. It's technically like a semester course. We have to use our time very wisely to get ready for the May exam. The resources folder has a number of things students should check out, but I would point out the class recordings. I do record most of our classes. Students also in their remote days can Zoom in live during class time if they would like, and you know, partake in the class live during those days, but I also do make recordings as well. And then previous weeks I'll drop in here in case students are behind or they missed anything, they can get caught up. So that's AP Gov in a nutshell. So just let me know if you have any questions. I'd be glad to help you answer them.